For those who may not know, I destroyed my hair back in November trying to bleach it and literally fried my hair. So I'm currently on a new hair growth journey. I cut my hair already 3 times and I'm trying to get my hair to grow back quickly because my hair grows extremely slow. So I'm super excited to be using Shedavi products. Shedavi is perfect for those looking for a more holistic approach to hair growth with all natural ingredients and no fillers. The hair vitamins are designed to improve hair, skin, and nails from the inside out, and the hair oil has a blend of over 20 natural ingredients proven to enhance hair health and aid in lymph retention. Okay guys, so I have on my She Growing shirt, and this is how I'm going to keep track of my hair as I'm using the hair vitamins and the oil. So I'm going to do a quick 360 so you guys can see the length of my hair from each side. So my hair grows at different rates. I'm hoping that this duo will help create more fullness in my hair because that's my problem area. So today is day 1. I already took my vitamins. I oil my scalp and I cannot wait until I see results soon. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. Follow Shedavi as well and join me in on this hair growth journey. Let's get our hair growing faster.